Hey folks, medical hypnotherapist Roger Moore here. Let laughter rise like sunlight breaking through the clouds, a cascade of joy rolling from your chest, spreading warmth to every hidden corner of your being. Feel its rhythm, light and free, a melody that echoes the songs of the heart. Remember the moments when laughter found you? Unbidden and pure. The way it danced on your lips and lit up your eyes. It doesn't ask permission. It simply blooms. A gift. A release. The reminder of the beauty that's always within reach. And love. Oh, love. Let it flow as naturally as breath. Feel its weight, gentle but strong, like the embrace of a cherished memory. It doesn't need words to be known, nor does it demand to be seen. It simply is. A force that connects every thread of existence. Love is the silent witness in your quiet victories. The gentle whisper in your moments of doubt. The vibrant pulse and shared glances and unspoken truths. It is vast, endless, like the sky above you, like the ocean that carries every heartbeat, every hope, every dream. When you laugh, you open. When you love, you expand. These are not small things. They are life's existence, life's essence, woven into the fabric of who you are. So laugh often. Let it ripple out like waves on a still pond, touching all those around you. And love lots. With an open heart, knowing that in love, you are boundless. Here in this moment, let your heart remember what it has always known. Be nice, be kind, and be the greatest expression of you.